This tutorial is going to show you how to implement Google Analytics into your WordPress site. And Google Analytics will help you track your customers as well as how many visits you're getting per day, per month, and it gives you just a whole array of reports. It's really great. So the first thing you're going to want to do is sign up for an analytics account. And the best way to do that really is just to type in analytics into Google. And then go ahead and access analytics. If you're signed into your Google account, it should automatically take you to analytics, and you'll probably have to fill out some questions. I already have an account, but you'll probably have to fill out some questions and just go ahead and do that, and it might take you a day or two, but once you get approved, you're going to want to go into your account. Oops, it might take you out of it. And you want to copy this. Actually, what you want to do is you want to add a new profile. I'm sorry, all over the place here. And you want to add your website here. So you'll just add Fitness Revolution, whatever your website is, and then click Finish. Okay. Make sure add a new profile or domain. Okay. This right here, this code, is what you're going to want to keep. Okay. So go ahead and right click on that number, copy. Go back to your dashboard here for your website and click on this Ultimate GA. And see how it says account ID UA and then dash dash dash. You're going to right click and paste. Now I'm not going to paste it because I don't want it in my Google account. We want it in your Google account. So make sure that it's your unique ID and then go ahead and click update options. Now it will take a few days before Google Analytics starts recognizing your site, but once it does, you're going to see something like this when you go into your Google Analytics. Oops, I'm going to go ahead and delete this. I don't need that. So this one's for My Ladies Learn, okay? So when you pull up, it'll give you your website here. It'll tell you how many visits you've had, and this is in the last month, so March 19th to April 19th. And you can change that. You can go to day. So I've had 20 visits today, week, month, or the year, okay? So go ahead and view report if you want to look at it. This is your Google Analytics dashboard. Dashboard's just a generic term that techno geeks are using. So this gives you an overview here, okay? This looks like our site didn't start recognizing until March here. And I think I have it still selected on, well, it looks like it's on the month. So if you want to narrow this down, oh, I know, it's on the last year, that's why. Date range, I'm going to change this date range to, let's just go for the week. So I'm going to do April 11th, 2010. And then, oops. 4-2010. Apply. Okay. There we go. That looks a little more normal. Okay, so this tells us, the number of visits we've had on each day throughout a certain time period. Tells us their visits, how many page views. So you might have had 121 visits to your site, but out of those visits, this is how many times an individual page on your site was loaded. Here is your map where your users are coming from. This tells you the pages that they're looking at, and this is a referring site. So if it came from somebody else's blog, that's where, so obviously a lot of our traffic is coming from referring sites. Direct traffic is just somebody typing in your website immediately, and search engines if people are finding it via search engines. And that's the Google Analytics dashboard.